You are welcome back. To get a verified cheaper cash account, follow these simple steps. Before we continue, if you are within this country, cheaper cash account is available for you. Okay? With cheaper cash account, you can use to receive and send money within African countries and UK. So let's get started. First, click on the profile icon just like this. Secondly, once you click that, select get verified. Then at this stage, you need to provide cheaper cash a means of identification. So in order to get this support, okay, just like transaction increase, limit in transaction increase, customer support, security of accounts, and so on. So select begin verification. So once you do that, you'll be asked to create a video of yourself. Okay, that is, take a 3D video of yourself. Just follow the instruction. In here, please make sure you do this in a well illuminated environment where you have light, or you can do it during the day. Okay, very important. And follow the instructions this system requested. So once you've done that, you'll be verified. After this, the next thing to do is, if you are in Nigeria, you'll be requested for your BVN, but if not, you'll be requested to submit a document type, that is your national ID, driver license, any means of identification that's approved by your government. Okay, so you'll be asked to do that for other countries, and that is the instruction provided here. Okay, then you take a picture of the front of the ID card. Okay, and if the ID card is readable for you, or you want to retake it, select retake. And if it is clear enough, select yes, proceed. Once that is done, this good message will be sent to you. Okay, then select complete. Now at this stage, you have the verification status saying pending. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, your verification will be approved instantly because of the BVN, bank verification number. Okay, but if you are not in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, then you need to wait about 2 business working days. It might be lesser than that, or within the range of 2 business working days, so that your account will be approved. Okay, so once that is done and your account will be approved, and once it's approved, then you could now start using your cheaper cash account for Bitcoin and the rest. You can also use it to transfer money to anyone in Africa and anyone in other countries. Cheaper cash will be providing later in the future. Alright guys, I hope this video is helpful. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell notification as all, and share with your friends, family, and total strangers. Bye.